Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. This is my favorite homemade wrap. It's so flavorful, crunchy, and just perfect for any time of the day. First, I spread a generous amount of mayonnaise, just enough to get a nice creamy layer. Next, I add about a handful of Gouda grated cheese, just spreading it evenly on top of the mayonnaise. Now, I'm adding some leftover chicken breast, and this incredible, flavorful wrap is what I make every time I have leftover chicken. Let's add a couple of slices of red bullhorn pepper, which I grilled and gives an incredible smoky and sweet taste. 2 nice pieces of cooked bacon on top. It adds a bit of a crunch, but a lot of flavor. I have some sliced baby dill pickles, which add a burst of flavor and a really satisfying crunch. A few tomato slices on top for a burst of juiciness and freshness. And the last ingredient, sliced up iceberg lettuce, which adds a really nice crunch as well to the wrap. Now that I added all the ingredients, it's time to fold everything up and wrap it all together. I always use an aluminum foil to wrap up my wraps. It always keeps it nice and tight, and especially if you make a warm wrap, it'll keep it warm until the last bite. This wrap is packed with flavors and crunch. You won't believe how many flavors come together in every bite. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.